Welcome to our packaging workshop. Today we will show a standardized window shaping process for overseas orders. First, we apply a layer of transparent protective film evenly on the surface of each window. Then, we carefully wrap the window with second bubble wrap, making sure every corner is fully covered. This layer provides excellent shock absorption and cushioning, greatly reducing the impact of collision and vibration during long-distance delivery. Next, we place high-hardness cardboard around the window for reinforced protection. This extra layer helps maintain the shape and stability of the frame, avoiding bending or deformation even under heavy pressure during transit. After that, we use high-strength packing straps to fasten the whole package securely. We stick the standard shipping mark on the designated position of the cardboard. Following this, we carefully place the fully packaged window into a custom-made solid wooden box. And we nail the wooden box with heavy-duty nails along all seams to ensure it is solid and secure for long-distance shipping. And use a forklift to transport the packaged wooden boxes to the loading area. From the first step of protective film application to the final container loading, every procedure is carried out strictly in accordance with our quality control standards. We take every detail seriously to ensure your windows and doors arrive at the destination safely, completely, and on schedule.